Hey guys, it's Shannon.
And Paul.
And welcome to another EggAPalooza where some of the shapes are no longer eggs.
That's right.
Because we have a back row here and this one are not eggs, but everything else is.
Yep.
So I'm going to let Paul start us off by picking one of these cool toys to open.
Okay, I'm going to start right here with the blue egg. Who would have guessed it? This is a Glitzi Globe. These are made by Moose, and I don't even know if they make these anymore. I kind of hope they do, because I like these.
I want Shopkins Glitzi Globe.
Yeah, that would be really cool.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a pretty blue egg. And it's a little craft inside. It's like a little water globe, do it yourself. I'm going to give that to Shannon along with the scissors.
I should say Shopkins Glitzi Globe eggs. Surprise eggs. Because
Yeah.
they have had Shopkins other stuff.
That's true. Okay, and we also need Shannon to cut that open. In the meantime, let's see.
There's your little charm.
Okay, I have my little magic Glitzi Globe chest. You stick your base right there. You put your little tiny animal, which this looks like a little caterpillar bug or something,
I think so.
or a snail, right here on your, hang on your base. See if I can get it to stick on that little peg. There we go. Sometimes it takes a little bit. Put your globe right there in that side, and we have a little glitter tab, and this has got pink glitter in it. Put that right there. Set that down. I'm going to take my little bottle of Glitzi Globe water and fill our globe up. And then the fun part. Fill it up. There we go. You take and you smash it. And your little guy's like, oh no, no, no. Yes. And look at that. It squashes it and it makes your little Glitzi Globe for you. I think I put too much water in there.
Yeah, some of your water's leaking out.
Yep, some of it is.
That happens.
Yep, that happens, but that's okay. So we're going to put that right there in that little wash tub, and we're going to let our glitter dissolve, and we'll shake that up at the end, and it'll be all glittery.
Cool.
All right, good start.
Okay. I'm going to open some of my mini Mixie cues. This is from Series 1. We still do not have a complete collection of Series 1. I'm going to give Paul that checklist so he can find out who we have. I hope it's somebody new.
Get the vampire.
I would like the vampire. Okay. These are ones we have gotten before.
Oh,
This is the little ballerina, and where's her hair? There's her hair. She's so cute, little pink ballerina.
I'm not seeing her on here, but we know that that's the ballerina.
She's on there somewhere.
There she is. Ballerina.
Ballerina. And we have this girl, the little polka dot outfit underneath. I think she's nautical.
Let me see. Yep, that's nautical.
Nautical.
Good job, Shannon.
Thank you. And she wears glasses.
Yes, she does.
Adorable.
Okay, Delectables time. These are the Disney Delectables. They are awesome. These are collection too. It's like Disney-inspired ice cream figures, which are really cool. So you get one complete ice cream treat in here, as well as one piece to a limited edition. Oh, awesome. So here's our limited edition piece right here. This is Tiana's cone, and this works out because we have Tiana's ice cream scoop and the top from other videos. So we have a complete limited edition.
Nice.
That's awesome. And then let's see who we got today. We got the Queen of Hearts.
Ooh.
And look at her. Look at that big pile of whipped cream.
That one's so cool.
I bet that's a whole can of whipped cream right there.
You would eat that one.
I would. And these mix and match. You can pull them apart and build new creations as your collection expands. So that's pretty cool.
That is cool.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to move right along that back row. It's the Grocery Gang Yuck Bar with 2 groceries inside. This is Series 2. We have a chocolate bar. A milk chocolate bar. Okay, let's see who our first Grocery Gang is. It's the Oozy Orange Juice. Is that his name?
Let me see.
I can't remember.
I can't either. He is Oozy orange juice. Good job.
Oozy orange juice. Squishy, squishy. And let's see who this one is. I can't get this bag. Oh, it's the sour strawberry.
Sour strawberry. Good job.
And he is super sour.
Yep. Okay, time for a Zelf. This is a hot pink egg. Here's the little Zelfs, which were kind of like trolls before there was trolls. Well, before there was a Trolls movie. There's been trolls for a while.
Yeah.
Okay, super cute pink egg.
Ooh.
Oh, wow, look, we have one of the pearlescent Zelfs. It's got the big bushy tail. And all the Zelfs have the little Z on the back.
That one's name, let's see, who are you? That is Kitsu, I believe.
Kitsu.
Yep,
Cool.
Kitsu.
Kitsu looks like a Pokemon.
It sounds like a Pokemon.
It does.
Okay, next up is going to be a Minecraft figure. This is the Chest Series 2 from the red boxes. I don't know who you can get in Series 2.
I don't either.
My box won't open.
I'm hoping we get an ocelot or a cat. I guess
Okay.
an ocelot is a cat.
Some sort of cat.
Some sort of cat.
I don't think it's a cat. It's a very square. We have...
Ooh.
Ooh, where is it?
Shulker.
Wait, that's the way it goes, right?
That's the way it goes.
Are we sure?
Uh-huh.
He looks silly.
He
The
does.
Shulker.
The Shulker.
Very nice.
Okay. The cars. These are Mashems Cars series. Well, it's series 1, but Cars movie 3. So yeah, I guess that would be series 1 of movie 3. So let's see who we get today. I'm hoping that we get Cruz or Lightning. Oh! We got Cruz!
Cool. Good job.
She is so cool looking. These are so squishy. Look how squishy they are.
These Cars Mashems are probably some of my favorite Mashems.
Yeah, I think they are for me too. Oh, how chunky they look.
If you like them, check it out. We just did a video where we had a whole box of them.
Yep. I like doing that.
You know what would be cool is if they had limited edition Mashems and Fashems.
Ooh, that would be cool.
That'd be awesome.
Yep.
Okay, speaking of awesome, it's time for Num Noms. They're awesome too. These are Series 2. I hope we get a stamper today.
Oh, I hope you do so. That would be fun.
Here's a checklist for Paul. Let's see what we have.
Or the vegetable pizza. That would be cool too.
Veggie pizza.
Which is vegetarian.
Oh, this is a cute one.
That is. Who is that?
Oh, she smells like
that's
sugar.
Bubbly Pop. That's one of the special ones.
Bubbly Pop. She smells like sugar.
Yep.
Oh, so yummy. And guess what, guys? A stamper!
A stamper. Awesome.
We have a grape or berry stamper. Let me get a piece of paper here. Paul is trying to get our stamper for us. We have one already open. Let's see. Do we have one of these open, Paul?
Yeah, we do.
He's digging through. Do you hear the noise? Let's see. Okay, he has one already open. It's right here. It just saves time from having to open another one. Okay, let's stamp it. I love these stamps.
I do too.
They're so cool.
And I think they're scented too. Smells like grape, Jimmy.
Yep, it smells good.
Okay, Shopkins egg time. This is a yellow egg. It's not a blue egg, so it's not as good. But hopefully it contains a Bun Bun Slipper.
It's good.
Hopefully it contains a Bun Bun Slipper limited edition. Actually, that would be a pair of limited editions. So these have no Bun Bun Slipper though. These have regular season 4 as well as special edition exclusive Easter egg series 4s in them. That's what this is right here. It's a pastel Edgar egg cup.
Very nice.
Very cute.
Edgar.
And then we have... Where's it at? Here we go. We have Shy Pie Cherry Pie. Who's a little petkin. Very cute. But that's just silly.
Your ballerina can sit in your egg cup.
Yep.
Very
Yes, they
nice. Okay, I think I want to do a Glitzi Globe.
Okay.
So I'm going to pass the scissors to Paul so
Alright.
he
I'm
can
going to pass
open
the
our
squash
stuff.
to you as well as the water.
Okay, so this one we have a little paper that talks about it. Ooh, we have a little blue base.
Oh, nice.
My whole thing's already like put together.
Yeah, mine was like that too.
Why don't I have a charm? I only have a glitter.
You don't have a charm?
I don't have a charm. Is it somehow still in the egg? I dumped everything out of the egg.
I don't think we have a charm.
We didn't get a charm. That's a bummer, Glitzi Globe. Oh, man. What are we going to do without a charm? We are going
to make our own.
We're going to try to make our own. I don't know that we're going to actually make this Glitzi Globe since they didn't give us... Oh, she won't fit. Her hair's too big.
Hair's too big.
We need the ballerina. She's too tall.
Yep.
Oh, well. Well, that stinks. Sometimes that happens.
Yep.
So, I don't think... Well, should we just squash it anyway?
Let's just squash it anyway.
We'll just squash it with glitter.
Yep.
Okay, so we don't have anything to put on there. But we're going to go ahead and do this part. So we're going to put our little base there. We're going to put our cup here. We're going to put our glitter. We're going to fill it with water.
Don't fill it as full as I did.
And then we're going to squash it.
Squash it.
Squash. Squash.
Perfect.
Awesome squashing power.
Perfect squash. Right
Hey, look. We have a little peg inside. That's our charm.
Yes, we do.
Instead of a charm, we just have a little peg.
It's an invisible charm. It's a limited edition charm.
Ooh, it's a limited edition Glitzi Globe.
Yep.
Okay, we need to put the ballerina back in her egg cup display stand. Okay. Oh no! Paul has to save her. She fell.
I will. Alright, little ballerina. There you go. Okay. Swinky Squashies time. So these are little gumball surprises. These are super cute. You get a checklist, which I'll give to Shannon. And you get 2 little gumballs. You can get limited editions in here.
Oh, you have the German Shepherd.
Yep. I can't remember his name.
Surrey?
Surrey, the German Shepherd. Woof, woof.
We could have put that inside our Glitzi Globe. I bet a
Oh,
Squinky
we
would
could have.
fit.
Yep. Too bad our Glitzi Globe is squashed. Oh, we have a little dragon.
Oh, he's so cool.
He is.
Or she. That's Miss Flair.
Miss Flair.
Miss
Awesome.
Flair. I like Miss Flair. Miss Flair would have gone great in that Glitzi Globe.
Yes,
right there.
Miss Flair would have.
Okay, very last thing we have is the Hatchimals surprise egg. It's a collectible. It's in a little nest. You know what else looks good in nests? Yucky orange juice.
Yes, he does look good in a nest.
Okay, so these are the Hatchimal Collectibles. If you haven't seen them, you're missing out because they're totally awesome. You get this little egg. It has a little purple heart. And what you do is you rub that little heart until it turns bright pink. And once it turns bright pink, you know your Hatchimal is ready to hatch.
Yep.
So you help bust the egg and get your little Hatchimal out. And you see who it is. It is a super cute one. Look!
Oh, it sure is.
It's like a little hedgehog.
It is.
With little wings. And we don't have a checklist right here, but the hedgehog,
I think it's from the meadow.
I think maybe you're right. But this is the first time we've seen the little hedgehog.
Oh, that's awesome.
It is awesome. Okay, the orange juice has to leave because the hedgehog wants to sit in the pink nest.
Alright, that was a lot of fun. We got a lot of cool toys. Shannon, do you want to give our Glitzi Globes a shake real quick?
Sure.
Let's see the peg. Oh, look how glittery that is and swirly. Okay, now here's our...
Whoa!
Oh, no.
I threw it at the camera.
Okay, now here's...
You ready for this
ready.
one?
Whoa,
Look at all that. So pretty.
That's in there with our little snail bug guy. Alright, we got lots of other cool toys today. Shannon, you have to pick a favorite.
Okay. This is not necessarily my favorite just because I like all these toys, but I'm going with the limited edition Glitzi Globe.
Glitzi Globe, right
Because
there.
I think it's funny.
Okay, that is funny. I think I'm going to go down here with the Queen of Hearts Disney Delectable, because that is a big pile of whipped cream on top of there. And I think that would be fun. Alright, how about you guys? What was your favorite toy that we opened today? Leave a comment down below and let us know if we didn't get the figure that you would have wanted the most. You can put that in the comments as well. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we hope you click the thumbs up button and the share button. We will see you next time.
Bye, guys.